Welcome to the Learn English, Love English channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your skills, you're in the right place. Here we believe that learning English is not just about mastering a language. It's about building confidence, unlocking opportunities, and connecting with the world. Join us on this journey as we explore practical tips, engaging lessons, and inspiring stories that will help you love learning English as much as we do. Ankita Roy's journey is a testament to the human spirit. Born in Habra, West Bengal, she faced immense challenges early in life when an earthquake in Gujarat took the lives of her parents. With nowhere else to go, she returned to Habra but soon moved to Kasba to live with her mother's sister. Life there was harsh. She was treated poorly, burdened with household chores, and deprived of any education or meaningful connection with the outside world. Despite these hardships, Ankita found the strength to rise above and inspire others with her resilience, determination, and hope. Despite these challenges, Ankita's spirit remained unbroken. She found solace in learning to play the drum under the guidance of Subayu Banik in Jadavpur. Subayu saw her potential and encouraged her to study and learn English. Though Ankita knew nothing about the alphabet, her strong desire to learn led her to the Learn English, Love English Institute. Initially rejected because she didn't know even the basics, her determination eventually convinced the institute to give her a chance. However, this decision came at a cost. Her family gave her an ultimatum. Either she leaves her classes or leaves their home. Ankita chose her education and independence. With a small amount of money, 40,000, she started her own business called Skyline Trading, where she rents a shop and resells second-hand computer and electronic parts. She also joined a gym, determined to take care of both her mind and body. Today, Ankita lives independently, supporting herself through her business. While she faces challenges every day, her journey is a powerful testament to her strength and perseverance. She continues to strive for a better life, showing that with determination, anyone can overcome their circumstances and build a brighter future. Thank you for joining us today on Learn English, Love English. We hope you found today's session both helpful and inspiring. Remember, every step you take in learning English brings you closer to your goals. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and never stop loving the journey of learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that will help you on your English learning path. See you in the next video.